Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from LendingTree using available cash balance, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To withdraw from LendingTree using your available cash balance, start by logging into your LendingTree account. Enter your username and password, then click the sign in button. Once you're logged in, navigate to the account section on the home page. Look for the withdraw option within the account menu. Click on withdraw to proceed. You will see your available cash balance displayed prominently on the screen. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw in the designated field. Make sure the amount does not exceed your available cash balance. Next, select your preferred withdrawal method. This might include options like direct deposit, bank transfer, or check issuance. Follow the prompts to provide any necessary details for your chosen withdrawal method. Review your withdrawal request carefully for accuracy. Confirm your withdrawal by clicking on the Submit button. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your request has been processed. Check your email for any notifications regarding your withdrawal status. Finally, monitor your bank account or chosen method for the arrival of your funds. That's it. You've successfully completed the withdrawal process from LendingTree. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.